There are 4 things you must have to record epic sunsets, and you're getting ready to find out starting right now. Rule number 1. The sun has to set beyond the horizon to get your epic colors that you want in a sunset. This is the biggest mistake I see people always make. This right here is not a sunset. This right here is still not what you want. This sunset is getting better, but it's still not the best possible shot. You have to wait until that sun sets below the horizon. Rule number 2, you must have clouds. Without clouds, the best you can get is for a little color change in the atmosphere with the light rays. However, with clouds, allow those light rays to bounce off of them and to reflect all those beautiful colors. The more clouds you have in the sky allows for more sunshine to reflect off of them, adding to a more colorful sunset. But this rule comes with a twist. If you have too many clouds blocking your sun, then the light rays can't shine through, like in this sunset here. You need an opening, leading us to rule number 3. Rule number 3, you must have a window of where the sun is able to shine through, so its light rays can reflect off the bottom of the clouds. This is important. The sun must reflect off the bottom of the clouds. In this example, there is a break in the clouds so the sunlight can shine through and reflect off the bottom of these clouds. Having an ocean in front of you will even allow that light to then reflect off the water to add to an epic sunset. I understand not everyone has an ocean or a body of water with them in front of them. However, if you get enough clouds in the sky and you get that window to open, that light from the sun that has already set below the horizon can shine through that window and reflect off the clouds. But for all this to take place comes in rule number 4, and probably one of the most important rules for this tutorial. Rule number 4. You must have patience and a little bit of luck. I spent nearly 2 weeks patiently waiting for these shots. The conditions can change suddenly. For example, in this shot, we had a sun setting with clouds and a clear open window for the light to shine through. But as time went on, more clouds formed in our way and our window closed within a couple of minutes. The trick is not to get frustrated. Sometimes when you least expect it, the conditions will become just perfect. However, if you follow these 4 rules, you will increase your chances of filming stunning sunsets. Remember to wait for the sun to set beyond the horizon or below the horizon. You'll need the clouds in the sky for the light to reflect off of. Look for your open window and be patient. Well, there you have it, my 4 rules to capture stunning sunsets. Remember these 4 rules when you're out filming or taking photos, and I look forward to seeing your results. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for the next James Gang tutorial.